impact and results that we have seen in the market, let's take a look at what does fine grain mean and how can SafePaaS provide that. So at SafePaaS, the fine grain IDM actually is central to our business mission, and you can see that in this example that SafePaaS itself is a platform as a service, so it sits in the cloud, and by being a platform, it has the ability to be configured for many different data sources that may sit on the cloud or on premise through various connections that our clients establish, push, pull, whatever the methodology that makes sense to them. So we have many different ways to connect to all 90% of the world's information system, business critical application systems out of the box. Chances are if using something like Oracle, Microsoft, SAP, we already have a connection because a lot of our customers use that. If it's something really homegrown, we can probably connect to that with a little bit of understanding of what's the APIs can be attached and so forth within a couple of weeks of worth of effort. So it's a global, flexible system with built-in risk management for access governance. And the tool we provide our clients to do this is called Data Probe, which enables them to quickly connect to us and then be able to securely transfer information we need to perform the user fine-grained identity governance. Also, we support many different devices, so you can come in through a mobile device or a traditional computer laptop. So just break that down a little bit. Financial identity governance is part of our overall information governance platform. It has more components that than just access governance, and the reason for that is we think of enterprise today as buying a holistic information governance solution as opposed to buying a number of fragmented cases, because we have all seen that you can buy a lot of point solutions, but in the modern way, to be an agile business, you got to have it all flow together, and you can't just piecemeal things together and hope they work. We have seen that in the ERP market with the successful transition from siloed accounting, finance applications to an enterprise platform. And so that's our vision to the market, is that ultimately, it'll be about information governance that includes access governance as a key component. So we provide application governance, we provide process governance, we provide the platform where you can put your risk control audit information so that it's all fully integrated and visible to senior management through the advanced analytics capabilities, where predictive analytics can help you prevent these risks from happening in the future. So a lot to cover. Today's focus, I'll stay on that, which is fine-grained identity governance. So if you look at how we break that fine-grained identity governance, it basically breaks down into pretty closely to what I mentioned in the description of identity governance in the previous segment. But basically, it has the policy, the ability to test those policies, SAML API, which enables us to do integration with IDMs if you have some, roles manager, which are basically that entitlement management component of the IDM requirements, user provisioning, role-based, workflow-based, firefighter for privileged users, and then monitoring and certification. So you can see we check all the boxes of what the market leaders and research organizations that do independent IT research have indicated what a good identity governance system has. What makes us unique, and the extra step or the extra mile that we go for you, is the ability to fine-grain it, which means that we contextualize that down to the element of data and the element of the security at the very lowest level. And that combination makes us fine-grained and unique uniquely positioned to protect your data